How to fix Windows 11 apps always crashing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, your Windows 11 apps crashing might be because of you are not updating your Windows 11 to the latest version. Now, today I'll show you how to update it and stop your apps from crashing. So let's dive right in. First things first, you will need to go to the search on the taskbar and then search for settings. Go ahead and open it up. And then on the left hand side on the very bottom, you'll find the Windows Update option. Tap on it and then here you'll find check for updates option. So if you see this message you're up to date, then that means your Windows is updated. If not, you'll see install now option and you'll need to install it, and it will help to solve your errors and glitches. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.